Hey everyone, I'm working on my 2005 Saturn Vue. I didn't see any videos on YouTube when I went to go do this job, so I figured I would make one. So what I'm doing is my door handles do not work the way that I want them to work, so I've been rolling down my windows and opening from the outside. So basically it's really easy, but in here, as you can see, I already took out a screw, and that's pretty well all you gotta do. And this whole thing comes out. And there's two linkages, as you see, one right there in the yellow. So what I'm using is just a small flathead, and I'm gonna hand my phone over while I pop these loose. Ready, buddy? So push, lift up. And this one, it looks like it's backwards, so you need to push the opposite direction. Snaps right out. Pull up. And then, as you can see right here, there is the electrical for the power locks. That while replacing, you need to pop the whole switch out and put it into the new housing. And as you can see by the snow, it's cold. My fingers are frozen, so I'm going to use this tool and hope I don't break anything. Got it. See? Now, to remove this, there's a pin here and a pin here. Pry. It pulls out. Now what I did on my driver's side, so I took a little bit of compressed air, blew it out, because this is a 2005, so it's 15 years of dust. Gotta make sure to spray the camera holder too. I got these online. I want to say I paid $30 for them. And going in is super simple. Flips in. Make sure you get your connection back to have your power locks. And they go, the wires go in between those. And I'm going to start with my bottom linkage. Just put it in the hole. Use my tool. I'll have to use my fingers. Never mind the screaming neighborhood kids. Onto the top. That's in. Let's get this locked into place. Screw back in, put the cover cap back on, and we have a fully functioning door from the inside. Thank you guys for watching.